Hey everybody, welcome to our video series on the different horror stories that happen in estate planning. I'm Jeff Althaus.
And I'm Kristen Kelly.
And we're attorneys at Althaus Law. And today is going to be horror stories for quitclaim deeds. Really any kind of deed. You can have a special warranty deed horror story as well. But we mostly see them in quitclaims when people try to do them themselves. So first off, what the heck is a quitclaim deed? It's really just a deed that people are doing trying to transfer title of their house. And in a lot of situations where things go wrong, it's when parents are trying to transfer title to their kids. It's a big no-no, don't do it. The main horror story I have is a client trying to avoid court, trying to avoid probate, and with good intentions, trying to make life easier for their kids, transferred complete title of their house to about 4 different children and took their names off it completely. So now their kids just own their house. That's bad for multiple reasons. Their kids could evict them. They don't technically own the house anymore. But the really bad part is that those kids' creditors could now come after that house if the kids had any. At that time, the kids didn't have any creditors, but one of the kids eventually filed for bankruptcy. And now the parents' house was going through a bankruptcy proceeding. It got foreclosed on and they ended up spending over $10,000 trying to get their house out of bankruptcy court, all because they tried to do a quitclaim deed on their own, which, like I said in the beginning, is a big no-no. Don't do it. How about you, Kristen? Do you have any horror stories from your clients?
Sure. So I'll tell about one involving husband and wife quitclaiming a house around for multiple reasons. Married couples will do that. They will send the house from husband to husband and wife to just wife, back to husband and wife, doing an estate plan for a woman whose husband had passed away more than a year ago and found out this cabin that the two of them owned, because of the quitclaiming they had done, they had broken what's called joint tenancy. So joint tenancy means if husband and wife own it together, husband passes away, we record the death certificate for the husband and the wife just owns the property 100%. That's the way we almost always want married couples to own the property. But because husband and wife were doing the deeds themselves rather than hiring an attorney and paying a couple $100, husband passed away. We didn't find the issue until after he'd passed. Now wife is having to go through, 84-year-old wife, mind you, having to go through probate for her husband unexpectedly to get the property into her own name. So that way we can avoid probate for her kids. So that's another instance where doing something to save a couple $100 or just the ease of doing it on your own is now resulting in a 6-month minimum long probate process and thousands of dollars in fees to get the house where it should have been to begin with. Any other stories you want to share at this time?
I mean, we've got loads of them, but I'll spare you guys for now.
All right, Kristen Kelly and
Jeff Althaus
with Althaus Law. Don't forget to like and subscribe.